This is a Tramrail model 3400 HD with factory interlocked gate. Put material in, close the door, put the machine to down, and press down. The main plunger or platen will compress all the material into the bale. At the bottom of the stroke, it will turn itself off and the gate will be latched down and will not be able to open up. In order to open it, switch the baler to up and press the up button. Now the safety gate will not go up, so push the baler to the upstroke automatically raises the gate with the platen, at which point it is now ready to add more material.